A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, former French President Nicolas Sarkozy has been released from prison after serving just 3 weeks of a 5-year sentence for criminal conspiracy. The 70-year-old politician, who led France from 2007 to 2012, was convicted in September for his involvement in securing campaign funds from the late Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi for his 2007 presidential campaign. Despite his release, Sarkozy remains under strict judicial supervision and is barred from leaving France as he prepares for an appeal trial expected next year. Sarkozy's release was granted by a Paris court, which ruled that he would remain under judicial supervision pending his appeal hearing. This means he could be required to wear an electronic tag while living at home and may have to provide bail money and check in regularly with authorities. His lawyer described the court's decision as a step forward and emphasized the need to prepare for the upcoming appeal trial. Upon his release, Sarkozy returned home to his wife, Carla Bruni, and his family. He expressed gratitude for their support during his time in prison, describing his experience as grueling and exhausting. During a video-linked hearing from prison, he maintained his innocence, stating, "I will never confess to something I didn't do," and proclaimed that he is fighting for the truth to prevail. Sarkozy's conviction stemmed from allegations that he and his aides conspired to obtain illegal funding from Gaddafi to finance his election campaign. While he was acquitted of other charges, including corruption and receiving illegal campaign funding, the court found sufficient evidence to convict him of criminal conspiracy. The case has drawn considerable media attention, with Sarkozy claiming he is a victim of political revenge and hatred. The former president's legal troubles have not ended with his release. He is also under investigation for witness tampering in a separate case, and the appeals court has imposed strict conditions on his release, including a ban on contacting any witnesses or individuals involved in the ongoing investigations. This underscores the legal challenges that still lie ahead for Sarkozy. During his incarceration, Sarkozy was held in solitary confinement at La Santé prison, where he faced mockery from other inmates. Reports indicate that he was subjected to a limited diet and had restricted access to exercise. However, he did have some privileges, such as access to a small television and the ability to communicate with family and friends. Sarkozy's release marks a significant moment in French political history, as he is the first former president to serve time in prison since World War II. His case has sparked discussions about the accountability of political leaders and the legal system in France. As Sarkozy prepares for his appeal, the political landscape remains tense, with many observers speculating on the potential implications of his legal battles on his political future. In the coming months, Sarkozy's legal team will be working diligently to prepare for the appeal trial, which is expected to take place in March. The outcome of this trial could have far-reaching consequences for Sarkozy, who has been a polarizing figure in French politics. His supporters continue to rally behind him, while his critics argue that justice must be served. As the story unfolds, the public will be watching closely to see how Sarkozy navigates the complexities of his legal challenges while attempting to clear his name and regain his position in the political arena. With the appeal trial on the horizon, Sarkozy's fight for vindication is far from over, and the implications of his case will undoubtedly resonate throughout France and beyond. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.